Yo, what's good? Welcome to a video that's about to change how you use AI forever. Today, I'm dropping 10 seriously next-level Grok4 prompts that'll unlock creativity you didn't even know you had, solve problems like a genius, and maybe even blow your mind. These prompts are straight fire, whether you're building worlds, crushing work projects, or just messing around with AI for fun. But hold up, make sure you stick around to the end because I'm saving the mega prompt for last. It's so powerful, it's practically a cheat code for Grok4. Let's get into it. Hey, let's start with a prompt that's pure gold. Imagine getting a McKinsey-caliber research report, yep, the kind worth six figures for free. This Grok4 prompt delivers a pro-level analysis for any industry you choose. Killer market trends, competitor breakdowns, and insights that'll wow any CEO. It's like having a top consultant in your pocket, perfect for startups or business pros. Stay locked in, 9 more epic prompts are coming, and that mega prompt at the end, it's a total game changer. You will find all the prompts in the description box. Prompt 2 is your secret weapon for crushing tough problems. Got a tricky challenge at work or in life? This Grok4 prompt acts like a genius advisor, breaking down any issue with laser-sharp clarity. It maps out creative solutions, weighs pros and cons, and delivers a step-by-step plan that's pure brilliance. Perfect for entrepreneurs, students, or anyone stuck in a rut. This one's a total brain unlock. Keep watching, 8 more killer prompts are coming, and that mega prompt at the end, it's gonna blow you away. Prompt 3 is a visual banger. Got a concept? Grok4 spins it into a sharp infographic using Mermaid.js, no need for Canva or Figma. Think sleek flowcharts or timelines that shine on slides. Perfect for educators, presenters, or idea nerds. Prompt 4 is your ticket to pro-level presentations. Imagine crafting a McKinsey-style slide deck that screams clarity and persuasion, all built by Grok4. This prompt uses the pyramid principle to nail problem insight and recommendation, wrapping it in slick, mobile-ready HTML. It's like having a top-tier consultant design a pitch for you, perfect for execs or clients. Think bold titles, tight bullets, and instant shareability. Whether you're pitching a startup or strategy, this one's a winner. 6 more fire prompts are up next. Let's keep it rolling. Replace your tutor. Meet Grok. It teaches like a private expert step-by-step at your pace. Simply say, you are a world-class tutor. Teach me Python as if I'm a motivated beginner. Grok then breaks it down into structured lessons, adds real-world analogies, asks you practice questions, and checks your understanding before moving forward. Whether it's coding, math, or science, you'll learn like never before in a calm, Socratic way. Replace guessing with clarity. Say your topic, let Grok handle the rest. Prompt 6 is a content creator's dream. Need a killer newsletter, tweet thread, or YouTube script? Grok4 nails it, crafting content that hooks and feels human. It matches any creator's vibe, packs emotional punch, and adds strong calls to action. Whether you're building a brand or engaging fans, this prompt delivers scroll-stopping content that pops. Imagine scripts that rival your favorite YouTuber or threads that go viral. 4 more awesome prompts are on the way. Let's keep the energy high. Prompt 7 is your strategic superpower. Facing a tough business call? Grok4 acts like a VC partner, mapping out SWOTs, user personas, and next steps in minutes. It breaks down risks, rewards, and clear actions, asking smart questions to fill gaps. Perfect for founders or execs making big moves. 3 more killer prompts are coming. Let's keep it rolling. Prompt 8 is your go-to for epic reports. Need a 5,000-word white paper that screams expertise? Grok4 crafts it with crystal clear structure, executive summary, market trends, challenges, predictions, case studies, and a bold call to action. It's like hiring a senior consultant for free. Perfect for tech pros or thought leaders. 2 more dope prompts are up next. Stay with me. Prompt 9 is a startup lifesaver. Got a big idea? Grok4 stress tests it like a pro, nailing the problem, target users, and what makes it stand out. It spots risks, gaps, and builds a 1-week validation plan. Perfect for founders pitching at a startup weekend. 1 more epic prompt to go. Let's do this. Prompt 10 is a time saver. Got a 100-page PDF? Grok4 boils it down to a crisp 1-page executive brief. Key findings, data, and strategic moves in plain language. Perfect for busy founders. It's like having a top analyst on speed dial. Time for the mega prompt. Grok4 transforms into your full-stack marketing genius, crafting a killer launch strategy for your startup. It builds customer profiles, viral headlines, a week-long social media plan, cold emails, and an SEO blueprint, all in one go. It's like having a top marketing agency in your pocket, ready to make your product shine. Perfect for founders who want to launch big and win fast. That's it. 10 epic prompts to dominate with Grok4. Go out there and crush it. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.